When Mary called out to Oscar, is this life worth living for? He said, but Mary, I'm a man and a sinner, and I fear too many things. Oh yes, it's true. But if there's one thing I know, it's worth living for, you won't regret it. It's not meant to be easy, it's not meant to make sense. 'Cause the darkness always turns to daylight, and the winter snow melts under the warm sunshine. Some days it's gonna rain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. So there's two roads that you can take, one to the east and one to the west. It doesn't matter which one you take, there's gonna be mistakes along the way. But don't let them pull you under, don't let them pull you in. Yeah, you got what it takes, and you make sense. 'Cause the darkness always turns to daylight, and the winter snow melts under the warm sunshine. Some days it's gonna rain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Oh yeah. 'Cause the darkness always turns to daylight, and the winter snow melts under the warm sunshine. Some days it's gonna rain. Let it rain.